Which one is the best in image generation? Is it Leonardo AI, the image generation website? This AI website is so famous, or Microsoft Bing, which is so useful in a lot of countries? So let's do this competition with full energy. So first of all, I'm going to add the same prompt in both of websites. So first of all, I'm going to add this prompt in Microsoft Bing Image Creator, and let's see. It is take a little bit of time, but it will create for us, boom, 4 images. All of them are good in quality and quantity. So this is the first image and the quality is good. You can download it. And this is the second image, and these are the 4 images. I'm going to close it, and let's use the same prompt with Leonardo AI. Okay, generate, boom. These are the 4 images has been generated with Leonardo AI. So these are the images. Let's see the quality of the images. The quality of images of Leonardo AI image generator is much better comparing to Microsoft Bing, to be honest. But it takes a little bit of time, and it's time consuming, to be honest, comparing to Microsoft Bing. So the quality is so much better in Leonardo AI, but it takes a little bit of time comparing to Microsoft Bing. But it is limited. Leonardo AI prompts are limited within 24 hours. I mean, it's per day. Okay, but Microsoft Bing can generate much of images with prompts with unlimited credits, and it will not take a lot of time. It is so much good in quantity. So Microsoft Bing is good in quantity, but Leonardo AI is good in quality.